Hey, Marble455 here. This is a video about my Furbies and my Mushabilis. So this one is a fire woodpecker. His name is Wally, and this is his card. It's Wally. He makes this noise right here. Here we go. This is my Furby. This is my other Furby. This Furby says its name is Coco, but that might be something in Furbish. So if it is, can you tell me in comments? Okay, those are my Furbies. And lastly, my Mushability is Pepper. He's an ice penguin, and this is his card. Well, those are my Mushabilities and Furbies. And their cards. So, bye.